This program is the most difficult of the programming examples, but it's also the most versatile and useful. It demonstrates a master CAN cycle calling 3 other cycles. The graphic screen shows it drilling 2 pilot holes, then roughing out, and finally doing a perimeter cut to trim the profiles. The machining video shows a highly edited and highly sped up partial views of the roughing out and then the final finish cut. Note the finishing cut makes 2 picks and only machines around the perimeter. There is no video of the actual program flow on the screen because most of the time it simply sits on the program line invoking the CAN cycles.